a beautiful day today. The sun is out, the birds are singing. Yeah, I love it. It's finally summer. Hey, what do you say if we go to the playground? To the playground? Oh, I love that idea. Oh, why don't we get into this truck and go? Oh, sounds like a great idea. Hey girls, hey, what are you guys doing? Oh, Mirabel. Yeah, what are you guys doing? Why are you so quiet? Can I play with you? What are you guys playing? I just finished my homework. Oh, we're not really playing. Yeah, we're not playing. We're just, well, we were about to go and do our homework actually, right? Right, Luisa. Yeah, let's go and do our homework. Oh, okay. I guess I'll just play here by myself since I'm done with my homework. Yeah. Come on, Luisa, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Such a good idea. Let's take our truck. I feel like they didn't want to play with me. I wonder if they're really doing their homework or just playing somewhere. Hey, Mirabel. Hey, Bruno. What's the face? What you said? I feel like Luisa and Isabela don't want to play with me. I feel like they're always together. And they don't want to play with me. Oh, those two are best friends. What? They're BFF? I wish I had one. You want a BFF? Yeah, I do. Oh, well, okay. Don't move, okay? Your wish is my command. Whatever that means. All right. I guess I'm gonna go and play by my... Oh, what is this? Didn't you say you want your best friend? So there you are. You get to unbox her and play with her. And she'll be your best friend forever. My own BFF. This is amazing. Thank you, Bruno. Can you stay and unbox it with me? Oh, no, I actually have to go and do some work. Yeah, you probably have a BFF. No, I don't. I gotta go. Bye-bye. Okay. Wow, look at my BFF. She's so cool and so beautiful. Her name is Hannah. Hi, Hannah. Whoa, look at this, guys. We get to mix and match. How about the shoes? Look at that. She crosses her feet. And now, there we go. And this way. Ooh, so cute. And this is Series 2. And let's unbox and see what we have. She's coming with some clothing. And let's see how many. There are about 6 to collect. So we have Hannah. Where is Hannah? She's right here. Whoa, she's right in the center. And she's so beautiful. We also have Daddy. We have Jessie. We have Ella, Lala, and Bruni. Oh wow, guys, they're so beautiful. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox it. Let's open the closet and see what we have. Wow, look at this. We have a mirror that says follow your dreams. Always, guys, always follow your dreams. We have her hat. Let's take this out and see what else we have inside here. Whoa, oh, look at that. Such a nice closet she has. Okay, here's her hat. It's so cute. Oh, how fun. And what else do we have here? We have her shoes. Ooh, look at these sneakers. They're so awesome. So cute, guys. Oh, I love them. And she has a purse. So cute. Some cool sunglasses. And what else do you guys think we have in here? Oh, she has her necklace that will protect her. And what else do we have in here? Oh, we have a beautiful jacket. Oh, and it has a hoodie. How cool is this? Oh, I just love this. So awesome. Now let's see our doll. So we're gonna open the top just like this and pull it out. Oh, how nice. Let's see our toe, guys. Whee! Wow, so cool. Wow, look at this. She's so beautiful. Look at those eyes. I love those eyes and her hair. Wow! so adorable, guys. Oh, wow. Look at this. Let's get these bags from her feet. Okay, just like that. Oh, hi, Mirabel. Hi, you're so beautiful, Hannah. Well, thank you. Well, I need my accessories. Of course, of course. Oh, my goodness, guys. She's so pretty. Oh, I can get over this beautiful hair. All right, let's put her hat on. So cute. So pretty. Okay, and I need my sneakers. Of course. Let's get her sneakers on. Oh, wow. So adorable. And my other sneaker, please. Yes, of course. Let's get her other sneaker on. Oh, wow. And look at this, guys. These dolls flex. So they're so flexible. So cute. Oh, wow. Hey, where's my jacket? Oh, your jacket is coming. Let's do it. Put your jacket first. Oh, so cute. Oh, I love green. What's your favorite color? Okay, at the other side of the jacket, she has such a long, beautiful hair. Oh, you guys can braid it. You can put it in a ponytail. It's so much fun. Ah, you look like you're ready. I'm ready to play, but I need my sunglasses on. Okay, let's put your sunglasses on. Just like this. Whoa, so pretty. Perfect. Wow, you really look cool. I wear glasses, but not sunglasses. All right, and I need my purse, and that's about it. And I'm ready to play. What do you want to play? I don't know. What do you want to play? Do you have a bowl? Oh, wait, I need my necklace because this is going to protect me. Oh, protect you, okay? Here we are, and that's it. Oh, he's so cool. Okay, let's play. Let's play. I'm going to go and get a ball, okay? All right, here we are, Mirabel. Kick the ball. I'm going to kick the ball. Whee! Kick the ball. Wow, so much fun. Whoa. What are you guys doing? Who's this? Oh, this is my best friend, Hannah. And who are you? Oh, I'm Luisa. Mirabel, can I have you for a second? No, she can't go right now. We're playing. Oh, can I play with you? No, you can't play with us. You see, you didn't want to play with her earlier. Oh, it's okay, Hannah. Of course you can play with us. You always have to be kind, Hannah. Even though sometimes people are not kind, you still have to be kind. Oh, is that what you want to do? Yeah. They're still my sisters and my best friends, and we're all best friends. Okay, guys, we're gonna go and play. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah. Bye. Oh, see you later, guys. Bye-bye.